Hi, my name is Mike Kirsch. I'm the Director of International Sales for COMM-TEC Exertis. We're here at the ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, showing, among other things, Barco's Clickshare solution. Since its introduction to the market 8 years ago, Barco's Clickshare solution has literally single-handedly changed the face of the professional AV market and started what can truly be called a revolution in the way we work. The whole wave of collaboration products and solutions, as well as the trend towards smaller huddle spaces and collaboration corners, can be traced directly back to the genius of Clickshare. Today we are showing Barco's latest, greatest version of this market-leading solution, the CX Series, Clickshare Conference. The 3 versions of the CX series all still have the same core functionality of Clickshare, namely the ability to quickly and wirelessly share your laptop's content by simply clicking the button. But the CX series also allows for quick and easy integration of the user's laptop with any unified communication tool with virtually no setup or need for the user to actively connect to the platform. Essentially, the Clickshare button is your connection link from any laptop to any video conferencing system. It does not matter which system is being used, Cisco, Poly, Teams, Zoom, LiveSize. The CX series is triple agnostic, meaning it works together automatically with all brands of laptops, video conferencing systems, and peripherals. So please do come by our booth here in hall number 2. We're happy to give you a full overview of the Barco Clickshare CX solutions. Alternatively, you can also visit the Barco booth in hall 12 for an overview as well. Thank you.